Good morning students. So in this class we are going to discuss about mirage and looming. So in the hot surface, so the surface is hot means the temperature is high. So in the hot surface, so the air above the hot surface is less dense because of high temperature. So the atoms are further go away due to the temperature. So the air is less dense. If you go upward and upward, so the density of air increases. So here it's denser, again it's more denser because the temperature decreases. So the light from an object, here consider a tree. So your light is passes from one medium, that is denser medium, to again it's more denser, it's denser. So light travels from denser to rarer, so its refracted ray is deviated away from the normal. So denser to rarer. So again it travels from, so compare this to its denser, less denser. So again it's deviated away from the normal. So the light ray it's successively deviated away from the normal. So its incident, the incident angle I is greater than the critical angle, so it's reflected back, it's totally internally reflected back. So total internal reflection takes place. So the light travels from denser to rarer, so the refracted ray deviated away from the normal, then at one place the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, so it's totally internally reflected and reaches the observer. So the tree, so the light from the tree, it passes through the medium, so denser to rarer, it's deviated away from the normal again. So the angle of incidence is greater than that critical angle, so it's totally internally reflected, so it makes the illusion. So the light is come from the surface, so somewhere the light is reflected from the surface, so that is mirage. So the observer feels, so the light is reflected from a pool of water or wet surface. Due to that illusion, so the observer feels the light is reflected from the pool of water or wet surface beneath the object. So this is mirage. Then the reverse case of mirage is looming. So the reverse effect. So this is a cold surface. So in the cold surface, so the density of air. So the density of air, this more denser. So it's denser air because the temperature is less. If you go up, it's less dense. So like that. So the density of air. So the light now travels from denser to rarer. So it's like that. So the light from the source, so light from the object, so it travels. So again it's refracted, so it's deviated away from the normal, again it's away from the normal. So light travels from denser to rarer. So in this case, after that the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, so it's reflected back. So the object, that is reflected light, is somewhat above, that is reflected image is somewhat little above the surface, so that is looming. So the main concept is that density of air is directly proportional to refractive index. So the density of air increases means refractive index value increases. So due to the refractive index, the denser medium, then here it's denser to rarer, again the density of air decreases means refractive index value also decreases. Then last topic, so prisms making using total internal reflection. So consider a prism, so it is reflected, it's 90 degree or 180 degree. So it's made of glass, it's ground glass or flint glass, both have almost same critical angle, that is less than 45 degree. So the angle of incidence should be less than 45 degree. So that AB is an object, then A dash B dash is an image. So the image is reverse. So the angle is here 90 degree. So again another type of prism. So the light incident and reflected back. So it's completely, this is 90-degree reflection, here it's completely reflected 180 degree. So that AB, that object, here the reverse image. So another type of glass. So the light incident, you will get a invert image. So that the prism is used to invert the image of that invert the image of same size. So in this class we have discussed mirage and looming. So mirage, so the light is reflected, that is somewhat below the surface. So the observer feels the light is reflected from, that is pool of water or wet surface. The reverse effect of mirage is looming. So here the light is somewhat little above, the image is formed little above the surface. Here cold surface. So looming will happen in cold surface, here mirage in hot surface. So the example for that looming, that is frozen lake. So the lakes, frozen lakes, then glaciers, then seas. It should be in cold. So okay, students.